natin na happy kayo na sagot natin na
kumaliwa. Nasa kanan ng iyong destinasyon.
Hair hunters.
To see you, our guest speaker for today is Tony Miranda.
Sometimes no. And today natin na happy kayo na sila.
From Villa Ibaras.
From City Garden, Makati. Guessing yourself and
Not thinking much of yourself.
Very important tong part na to eh. Very, very important.
Not thinking much of yourself, nagda-doubt din ako sa sarili.
Experience greater happiness and life satisfaction.
And I will debrief. Sino yun?
Jonalyn Pahel.
Can you imagine what time this CEO? As for teens. One.
shinare nila yung talk about excelling too much.
Her being presentable all the time.
You wanna give me?
My negative thoughts.
For the first column is I'm not good enough.
I'm good in public speaking. I'm not leadership material.
Sometimes I'm not confident in it.
I'm not good enough.
I'm not good enough.
I'm not good enough.
I'm not good enough.
Yeah.
Kaya ko pa ba? Why I still need to work?
Sometimes I have no self-control.
I'm not good in public speaking. And kaya ko pala. I did it. Good.
There's always a room for improvement. Actually, my first day today.
I have a long patience.
I am resilient on how to handle stress.
That I can now control my anger management.
Influence my colleague to perform well.
Taas yan. Ano gusto mong pangalan sa trigger mo? Okay. What if your coping mechanism? Okay, next. Okay, mas kinis. Tama, next one, women's one. Okay. No, but you can practice. Yeah. So individually,
Those challenges, those failures.
Hindi tayo mag-release sa past natin.
Sa good thing na na-realize ko na yun.
But you can learn to enhance more.
Kulot open, kulot open. So let's put down everything except for the wire. That right? The higher the clench, the higher the... That's why, minsan, pag may table, like this, let's say, Mark, dalawa. Pero both, isa na. So, please... Okay? Nag-adjust, di ba? Can you watch your videos?
Tell them to do this, they are dominating you.
Smile na may silent A. Hi. Okay. Okay. Bro, trabaho. Okay. Sa merienda. So which means you, but can you mind sa magugulat ka, lahat actually nangyayari. For a moment, hindi ko pa siya nasisend. If hindi pa standard ang running a meeting with you, or graduation, or teacher na. You are old, what you can give is what? Wisdom. Who is consistent wherever you are.